Hi guys, how's it going? So in this video I would like to teach you how to say sneeze or yawn in some languages. Basically the video is about how to sneeze or go for some of those reflex actions around the world and in several languages. So I would teach you how to connect the sounds of these actions to their meanings, and in order to help you to remember them in several languages. Right, starting with Russian. When I learned what to sneeze in Russian, I realized how it sounds like the action sneezing itself. So the verb in its infinitive form, it's чихать, and in the second person it's чихаешь. So it sounds like someone is like чихаешь, and it's for me practical or onomatopoeic, just like it sounds, and it helps to remember. And in in Japanese it's kushami, kushami, kushami osuru. And kushami osuru sounds like someone who sneezes kusha. So while in Russian, it's like чихать, чихать, чихаешь, чихау, чихаю for I. And so in Japanese, kusha, kushami. So you notice that all of them sound like someone sneezing. And in Polish, it's kichać for the infinitive, and for you sneeze, kichasz, kichasz, 再见, you sneezing all day. So I think most of them are more similar when we conjugate the verb to the second person. When we just say in the infinitive form, like kichać or jihad in Russian and Polish, it's not so much like the sound of the action sneezing, and rather I guess you have to use the second person to help you to remember the verb and its infinitive form itself. And the next one I'm going to talk about, it's the verb to yawn in Arabic. So I yawn, it's at the thawb, at the thawb, at the thawb. And then it's interesting how the ending part of this word, oh, sounds like someone yawning. Oh, at the thawb, at the thawb. لما أريد النوم لما بدي النوم التثوب. So that's how it helps me to remember the word تثوب, to yawn. So the verb in other forms like you, أنت تثوب, هي تتثوب, هو يتثوب, يتثوب, and so many different ways. The main aim is just for you to be able to connect it to something that reminds you of another thing. So basically guys, there's so many of these words languages, and then this is how I'm able to connect words to some sounds to help me to remember, and I'm just so interested. And by the way, I just wanted to mention in this video some cultural differences. I noticed that, well, back home in Nigeria, when we sneeze, we tend to use the back of our hands in a round shape, sneezing like this. So maybe if you have a cloth, you could use it to cover a handkerchief to cover your mouth when you sneeze, and similarly in Japan I noticed it was the same thing. When I came to Europe, I noticed that people, when they sneeze or cough, they do this. And I'm so attentive. It's like, for me, I'm not saying it's wrong or bad, but it's just some basic natural differences, cultural differences that we have. Coughing or sneezing or yawning. I know that we, as humans, do not just do this without bring them something. For example, someone's yawning should not open the mouth so loud, so wide, yawning in the public, because it's a little bit wet. So it's nice to not cover the entire mouth, but just at least so that it doesn't look so wet. We were told when we were younger that if you yawn so with your mouth wide open, an insect could get into your mouth, or so it's nice to cover your mouth when sneezing, or coughing or yawning. And so guys, I would like you to tell me in the comments what how to say yawn or sneeze or cough in your mother tongue or in your native languages or official languages, and tell me how you do this in your country. Do you cover your mouth? Do you what do you do when these reflex actions come, and how do you do them? Thank you so much for watching, and see you again soon. Bye.